Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can edit a template. First thing, you need to enter from the context menu and enter in templates page. Here you can add a new template or edit an existing one. These are the menus, so you have the general option with the internal name. Here we have some custom CSS, but most important as the first thing is to set up this definition. So as you can see here, you have main title, subtitle and logo. In order to understand where this information are placed inside the welcome portal, we need to enter from the gateway and enter in user interface preview. This way we can open the page that the user will see. So here you can see we have this intro page with this intro video from YouTube. We can choose to skip and enter in the welcome portal. Now we can talk about the layout. As you can see, this logo with title and subtitle is this logo with title and subtitle. So if once you edit this, you edit also on the welcome portal. The intro is the YouTube video that you saw. So that YouTube video is set up with this ID and this 5-second skip. You can also choose a different type of intro that could be an MP4 video or just Flickr image or whatever, or just set to none and you have no video. You can also choose the apps. So you can choose to have a different style for these apps. We are talking about icons. So if, let's say that we want square icons. We can just set this to square and save. So once you save and you refresh, just remember every time you need to refresh the page, you will see that now the icons are not rounded anymore, but just square. So this is what you need to do in order to start editing the template. You can also choose to edit the colors. In this case, we have already set this to custom, but as a default, you will get this like this, so the type is default. If you switch to custom, you will see that you can change the header background. So the header background is this part. You can see that we have some opacity. Maybe we can make it a little bit darker, so something like this. And also the app background, we can make it a little bit darker in order to understand what we are editing. We go back to the previous page, another tab, we refresh, and you can see that now these are darker. So you can change the colors, you can change the opacity, you can change whatever you want. You can also change the shape of the icon as we saw, but also you can upload a custom image on the icons. This is super easy. You just need to upload the image here following the size that are on that are written here on the tooltip, and you're done. Last thing is the background. As you can see here, we have this custom image. This is an image that we upload inside the system. The most important thing that you need to understand is that if you set this to static image, so you want to put a background image, here you can put also an external URL, so an image that you get on the internet. But this is important for you to know that this you will not save bandwidth doing this. So the best way is to upload an image on custom image and then use this syntax in order to show the image. In order to do this, you need always enter from the domain level, and you can see that you have custom images. On custom images, you can see this is the preview. You can add your image, so you choose your image from your PC, and then you have the ID. Once you have the ID, you just copy and you go back to the template. You use this syntax that is written here, and you just need to replace this image ID with your image ID, and you're done. So you have your custom image. This is the layout of the template. You can see you have fonts, you have colors, so you just need to be familiar a little bit with these fields, but they are very easy. Also for the apps, but for the apps we will have a separate tutorial. So what I want to show you now is just to create your first template with custom information. So just remember here, welcome portal definition, you set up the name of your company, of your installation, whatever, you save, and now you're ready to go back to the domain and to apply this template on welcome portal template. So here you choose between the default templates that we have or the new one that we create. You save, and then you just need to open the preview as we saw, user interface preview, and you're done. So this is how you can create or edit a template and apply that template on a domain.